Hi everyone, welcome to my viewers drive and fail number 26. To the left of us is a 24-hour-a-day bus lane, and this overtake is utterly unnecessary. Especially when the Audi driver intends to turn right and there's no route through. Thanks. My viewer, who did brilliantly well in this clip to suss this out as early as he did, sums this up perfectly.
What an idiot. What an idiot.
This isn't something that we have to watch out for on the roads in the UK very often. And just in case you missed it the first time round. Watch the car that pulls up alongside in lane 2. Where do you think they're gonna go?
Here's a bonus question on hot and cold. Please identify this group from what surprisingly was their own. You!
In Chicago.
Boy, this one. I was going to say we meet up for a coffee, but I'm not sure I like the sound of him anymore.
After 800 yards, turn left, A6041, Blackfriars Road.
We're around tomorrow. What are you doing tomorrow as a family? Do you know?
Spanish John was mentioned again. Look at the sign on the right that says through traffic. I suppose it was nearly right. Another near miss logged overtaking where the side entrance is. This is lethal. If you use the road, you should follow the rules of the road. It's quite simple. Nice job by my viewer. Well sorted out. It's never the best option to reverse back over the brow of a hill, especially at this speed. Up ahead, our road goes from 2 lanes down into 1, and my viewer spots someone coming down in lane 2 who's trying to merge quite late. So he closes the space down. Watch the speed at the bottom of the screen increase. Honestly, my viewer is just as bad as the guy in the pickup. Maybe even worse. Let me know who you think was the biggest cause of the problem in this clip. Watch how the lorry emerging from the right hand side at the roundabout seems to go round the roundabout. I'm not sure whether he was a little triggered by that scooter nipping in front, because that was quite quick, and this may also have triggered him to do this overtake this poorly. Interestingly, my viewer again spots that same lorry driver a little touch further up the road. I think his name could be Juan also. In this clip we're going to have a little game. Who causes the problem? The grey BMW to our right, the white private hire driver to our left, or the SUV on the far left side? Please pause the video, write in the comment which one you think is going to be the problem, and I'll see you in a moment. To be fair, it's no embarrassment if you got that one wrong. It could have been any of them. This clip's amazing. Filtering in heavy, busy traffic is always risky. Two wrongs make a wrong. I suppose the white car does go round both roundabouts. This was some quick thinking by the Audi in front. It was without observing, but it was quick thinking. When the simplest of junctions confuse people, it's worrying. Watch the motorcyclist that unfortunately comes off up on the roundabout, then listen to the radio lyrics.
On the western bank. Oh, cyclists come on. Yeah.
I hope he was okay. It does look as though plenty of people stopped to give him a hand. How's the timing with the lyrics, by the way? This road that my view is on is all one way. But that doesn't mean it's one way from the other direction as well. Look at the silver car on the right hand side waiting. They went for it also. My final clip of this episode comes with a challenge, and it comes with a challenge to the viewer and the camera who sent this in. See whether you can change your attitude.